Happy New Year! Do you guys make New Year's resolutions, such as getting stronger or hitting that new PR at the gym? I know I do. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Nordic lifting Megin Powerlifting shoes. Specially designed for the gym. Oh wow, look at this. Even features a message. You don't see that too often in a box. That's very thoughtful. And even a personalized message from the CEO Henrik himself. That's truly awesome. So this is the black colorway. Wow. Right off the bat, I'm already falling in love with the design. So what you're seeing is Nordic Lifting's top of the line powerlifting shoes, specially designed for powerlifting, weightlifting, even CrossFit, or heavy weightlifting. It features a high quality cotton and synthetic material blend. It features a very nice Nordic lifting kind of like graffiti logo with like a web design. You have Nordic lifting logo in the back, and of course that graffiti style on the side, and Nordic lifting on the front functional Velcro strap, which also acts as a support system to make sure your feet feels tightened. And of course you have on the tongue, it features a Nordic lifting logo in red. All right, highly breathable material. And what I personally love, and everybody that's doing heavy lifting needs, is this raised heel. Features a 1.4-inch raised heel, which provides enhanced stability and foot support when lifting heavy weights, and also allows you for that deeper squat. It's all about the ass to grass. And a flat footbed right here. My feet is pretty flat on the bottom outsole. Okay, and I'm curious to see if the insole is removable. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Nope, it's glued down. So, all right. So this is a size 8.5, about Euro 41 inches. So make sure you. So it seems like this fits a little bit. The sizing is a little bit smaller than your typical other brands, comparable brands. So typically I wear a size 8, so I had to order 8.5 in the Nordic lifting. You guys are not going to believe it, but I actually own also the blue version. So I had this since 2018. Look at it, it keeps its original integrity and shape. This looks almost like brand new, you know, like with low mileage. But I've been using this like every week, you know. So that's about almost 7 years old. It's 2025 now. So whether you go with the blue or the black, I think you guys would love either one. All right, let's see how much this weighs. Remember, it's US 8.5, 13.65 ounces, so less than 1 pound. And with this durometer, let's measure the hardness of the midsole. So make sure that gets a good reading right there, and hold. And that's about a 60. Now don't worry, because remember guys, you want it to be as hard as possible, similar to wood. Like how some shoes are made of wooden heels. So you don't want it to be squishy and soft where you can, you know, throw off your balance moving around, unlike those other cross trainers or jogging. So imagine you're trying to squat with a jogging shoe. That's going to throw your balance off. You want it pretty much as hard as possible. So 60 definitely indicates that. All right, who's ready to try their brand new powerlifting shoe? I know I am. I'm a big fan of gym shoes, and having the proper pair can definitely help you reach your gym goals and your PRs. Getting in the shoe is easy because it's roomy enough, unlike basketball shoes where it's super cramped, and that strap really adds another level of support and stability. This almost feels like a pair of everyday sneakers, except for the raised heel, of course. If it's standard size, true to size. All right, I'm ready to give it a try. So first of all, we're gonna start out at my home gym, just doing some light dumbbell squats in place, just warming up a little bit, before we take it up a notch. As you can see, with the Megin Powerlifting shoes, I'm able to reach that depth. It's always about the ass to grass, right? All right. So nice stability, nice control, elevated heel, proper support. It's definitely a must. And I even tried it on lunges because lunges tend to bend the shoes a little bit, If you don't want to see creases, then probably don't do lunges. I'm just kidding, man, because leg workout is all about that. So rewind to about like 7 years or so ago when I tried out the brand new blue ones. So here I'm going about, what's that? That's about 235 pounds, I think. I'm doing, I think I was going for 5x5 or something like that. So let's see how this goes. So back then I was squatting heavier, and as you can see, I go way past parallel. Very nice support. Got the hips out wide, pushing through that. All right, and making sure not to break the plane of the toes. And that's a good set right there. And here we get a zoom in of the shoes as I attempt these back squats. All right, second set. Here's my friend just messing around with his Nikes on. All right, so here we go. Second set. It should be relatively easy. Getting into the bar to back it up. By the way, that's the safer way to go. You don't want to go backwards because you don't know if you can miss the, the holders. All right, nice steady rep right there. See that? Nice slow control. I always like to take a deep breath. I always recommend everybody take a huge deep breath and blow it as you come up. As with all the exercises, it helps you tremendously. It keeps your body tight. And here I am doing front squats. I got done with the 5x5, and I think that looks like 215, I think. Yeah, doing front squats. Now I do Zercher squats as opposed to front squats because I don't like bending on the wrist. That's why I wore the wrist wraps. Also from Nordic lifting. So I ended up doing 4-4-3-3 of the 215. As you can see, front squats are another beast. I highly recommend you guys give it a try because it really works your quads. Nice. So you see how I'm breathing in? Nice deep breath, even though I'm turning a little bit red. And I think I was wearing a nylon belt right there. Man, I missed that gym too. Very nice. And I do recommend you Zercher squats. So the Megin Powerlifting shoe is definitely a must-have. Whether you go with the blue or the black, it can't go wrong. Quality made, lasts you a long time, and Nordic Lifting has some amazing products, so I highly recommend you guys check it out. Squats, bench, everything that you do at a gym, Nordic Lifting has. So you're looking for the perfect powerlifting shoe, definitely give the Megin brand from Nordic Lifting a try.